Yeah man guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's a boy Blazing Flame as usual, is it? Yeah man, so today we are making some real Jamaican fry festival. Yeah, so we are going right into it, guys. Go ahead already and we add in some flour and some cornmeal. Yeah man, so we just add some salt also. I don't know. These are the main dry ingredients. Yeah, add in some sugar. And you know guys, you add sugar to taste, So if you want it sweeter than normal, you add more sugar. Add some vanilla. Yeah man. That's basically it, guys. We are go ahead now and add some baking powder. Baking powder is a must. Definitely is a must, right? Yeah man. So it's a closer look on everything, guys. So I go on. Yeah man. Can add some water now and start the kneading process. Yeah man guys, in Jamaica festival is eat with mainly jerk, like jerk chicken, jerk pork. But most people like me, can have a festival with anything, man. Anything. Yeah man. Any meat you wish. So as you see guys are going ahead here and starting the kneading process. Yeah. You don't really need it out that much like when you're really doing fried dumpling or boiled dumpling. Yeah. It's getting there guys. Yeah man, so as you can see what's going on. Yeah man, it's coming on guys. It's right there. Yeah man, this is our dough for our festival guys. Jamaican Fry Festival. Yeah man, that is it guys, believe. It's coming on lovely. Yeah man guys, so basically you can go ahead now and start, You have to use some of the flour itself to actually get the right texture when you're gonna make them guys. You don't want the dough to be sticking to your hand, so you use some of the flour itself. Yeah, and just put over your hand and sprinkle some of it over the dough also. There we go. Yeah man. So we'll go ahead and start the processing now guys. Yeah man, put some of them in the pot. Really coming on nice, looking nice and crispy. You can see they're catching the golden color. Yeah. And the best way to do these guys is to add enough oil in the pot so they can actually float and all of that. But that's when you're doing like a surplus for like an event or something like that. You're making a whole lot. But I'm just doing these for just like, exhibition, just to show you guys what's going on and how it's done. Yeah guys, they're coming on nicely. Yeah guys, so please remember guys to like, share and subscribe. Yeah man. Turn on the post notification bell so as soon as the video them drop guys, you will be one of the first to get them. Yeah man, and thanks so much to you guys for all the support you have been giving me. Yeah man, really appreciate it. So this first set here guys is actually finished, So we're getting them out of the pot here. Yeah man, I like my festival warm and nice. I don't like when they are cold. So if it's for me alone, I will start eating right away. Believe. Yeah man, these look real nice guys. And as I say, normally in Jamaica you will eat these with like jerk chicken, jerk pork. Yeah man. Some people just add a few and just put some ketchup and some pepper on them and enjoy it just the same. It's a real nice go-to food in Jamaica guys, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some more in the pot. Thanks to my friend Kervin for doing this little video section here for me. Yes guys, teamwork made the dream work. Kervin, big up yourself. Yeah man guys, as you see I'm getting some more in the pot here. That is it. Yeah man. Yeah man guys, they're coming on nicely. They're coming on. This is our second set. Yeah. Getting these out the pot. As you can see. At this point guys, I didn't really make up my mind where we're going to eat with these festivals yet. But at some point in the video I did make up my mind. So a little further on in the video you'll see what I come up with to have with these festivals. These looking real delicious guys, honestly. Some people use milk, condensed milk, Lasco milk powder, or coconut milk. Yeah, in their ingredients also, but I didn't use any today. Yeah, I didn't use any. But as I said, this thing is really made to please who is gonna eat it, the way they like it, you know. So that is it. So these are our finished products. Yeah, I can tell you this much. I've been letting the household sample them so far, and everybody like them. Everyone love it. Yeah guys, so this is it. Jamaican Fry Festival. Yeah man. So remember guys, I told you I didn't make up my mind what we're gonna have with the festival. I just did. So I cut up some chicken, few pieces. Yeah. Clean up one thing. Just add my vinegar here to finish wash the meat, get the meat washed properly. Yeah man, that's a must, guys. So from the cleaning process of the chicken to the washing process, now the seasoning process. Yeah guys, this is my blend seasoning. Fancy stuff, you know, all the green seasoning things, scallion, onion, thyme, garlic, ginger. Yeah man, shadow benny and them thing. And also my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So we're gonna do some home style chicken. Fry these meats crispy, and then we cook them up with our natural seasoning and vegetables. Yeah man guys, giving the oil a little test around here. Yes guys, that's it, the oil is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a few pieces in the pot and see what I want. Yeah man, it's ready man. Can add some more. Yeah man guys, this is it. This is it guys. No. Yeah guys, so you know, you want to get them fried until they are golden brown. You know, you really see every side, both sides of them are evenly fried. Yeah. So this is it. Get them for a set here with the pot and add in the rest guys. Yeah man, you see how it look guys? That is it. Yeah man. So this is home style chicken, we call this guys. This is not brown stew, this is not curry. This is home style. Yeah, home style chicken. So we're just getting in the second set here, guys. Yeah, man, for real. So meanwhile, the set is actually frying. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my natural seasoning. Even though I have some blend, guys, I still had to put a few pieces of garlic and another onion in the pot. Love my seasoning, guys. Real natural seasoning. Can't do without it. So let's work some magic from those to this. All cut up, guys. And ready to go in the pot. That is it. Yeah, man. So them set here ready now, guys. So just gonna add in the first set with some water. Yeah. And also gonna add in my natural seasoning and vegetables. Yeah. And from now it's just a process. God and time. For real. Give it a little stir. Yeah, man. Cover it down 10-15 minutes. Here you can see, guys, barbecue original sauce. Yeah, man, no joke. I'm doing some ketchup. Yeah, man, these give a little more sting to the taste. Yeah, man, a little more flavor and thing. Yes, guys. That is it, man. It's coming on real good, guys. Real lovely. Yes. This is it. And you can smell it, guys. It's real smell good. Yeah, man. Really smell good. So it's finishing, guys. Just gonna go ahead now and dish out a little. Yeah, man. Trying to get some of the vegetables also. Don't want only meat. Yeah, man, guys, that is it. So we are actually to the end of another video, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man, continue to support the channel. It's a boy Blazing Flame as usual. Love you guys. Yeah, man, take care. Basically, this is just gonna share now with some Afro Fry Festival. That is it. Be safe, guys. Until the next time, I'm out. She pull it on with all her might, whispering in my ear, say she feel alright. Say the weed cake really nice.